Okay, are you back?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
we
sir.
can start. Okay.
Yes,
So what?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. What we have told last time that important what is free body diagram. So we have to isolate the problems given. Then we have to draw the free body diagram. And this free body diagram is the most important single step in the solutions of the problem in mechanics. It can be applicable for fluid mechanics, engineering mechanics, solid mechanics also. There are some basic steps of doing this free body diagram. Like first of all, you have to decide which system need to be isolated. System should have one or more of the desired unknown quantities. We are solving unknown quantities. We have to draw the diagram which represents complete external boundary. You have to draw the diagram which represents complete external boundary. This boundary defines the isolation of the system from all other attracting or contacting bodies which has been attached there and which are you want to remove basically. Then you have to identify all forces which act on the isolated system as applied by removing, contacting, and attracting bodies and represent them in their proper positions on the diagram of the isolated system. Make sure all contact forces, if present, those should be considered at the boundaries. Include body forces like weight, if applicable, then represent all forces by vector arrows. If forces are unknown, this should be represented by a vector arrow with some unknown magnitude and directions indicated by the symbol with assumed sense. Like sometimes you will get tensile, sometimes it is compressive, or maybe clockwise or anti-clockwise movement or couple. If after calculations unknown forces or moments are positive, then your assumption is correct. If unknowns are negative, then actual vector is directed in the opposite sense. Okay, maybe force you have considered positive, it may be negative, or maybe couple or moment you have considered clockwise, it may be anti-clockwise. But this is not wrong. Okay, only that sign different means it will be reversed. Note, it is necessary to be consistent with assigned characteristics of the unknown force or moments or couples throughout all of the calculations. Say free body diagram, one body you have free body diagram. Okay, number one, number two, number three. Those sign conventions should be consistent. Okay. Now next step, show the choice of the coordinate axis directly on the diagram. So you have to show the coordinate axis. Don't say summation fx equal to 0, but you have not shown x and y at all in the free body diagram. Partial dimensions may also be represented for conventions. Force or moments shown in the diagram as arrow should have clearly represented from other quantities like distance. If possible, use different color for distinguishing force or moment from quantity like dimensions. Then you should be very careful that self weight of a particular body acting through the center of the gravity that should act always vertically downward to the horizontal plane. So self weight of the particle of body acting through the center of gravity should always act perpendicular, act vertically downward to the horizontal plane. Axis of the member. Okay, axis of the member can be tensile, positive, or compressive. Now there are three main types of supports. When you are removing the supports, that should be represented by corresponding reaction force. We call reaction from the support. Three classic types of supports are roller support, where the reaction force Only one reaction force you can get from the roller, which is acting normal to the support on which the roller rests. Then it can have hinge support, or we call pin support. There will be only two reaction forces in the plane, normal to the plane on which the hinge rests. Only two reaction force. Why I am talking about? You consider some x-axis, y-axis, or maybe you can represent by the resultant of the fx component or fy component. Another type of support is we called fixed support, but or built-in support, where we will not allow to have any rotation. If rotational degrees of freedom is been restricted, then only you will get the moment. So for that type of support, fixed support or built-in support, reaction force generated from a clamp or fixed support has three components. If in two-dimensional problems, two forces acting along and normal to the plane or of fixity, and one bending moment or couple, or maybe only moment you can see. If any frictional resistance exists and act opposite to the direction, and that should act opposite to the directions of the applied force, and it is proportional to the and it is parallel to the plane if motions, if there is any motions, or it is impeding motions, trying to have any motions. Now let me show you one thing. It's a 2D case. I have one single body like this. Try to understand. So this is x and this is y. So what generally it may happen, or maybe x, just a minute. I'll put x, y in a distance. So this is x and y. So these basically can have pure translation along x. We call ux. Pure translation. Along x it can move. Okay. Maybe it can have, this is a pure translation. It may have, this is a uy. Pure translation in x and this is in y. Or it may have pure rotation with respect to z axis. What is z? This is z. This cross is z, perpendicular to the plane. So it may have ux, uy, and maybe we will write theta z. So we call two translational degree and one rotational degree. Two translational that is ux, uy, and one, not d, two translation, one rotational, theta z. So these are the 3 degrees of freedom present for 2D problems. As per the structural mechanics is concerned, in 2D problems there are 3 degrees of freedom. For 3-dimensional case, you have ux, uy, uz, theta x, theta y, and theta z. 3 and 3. Total 6. Okay, understood? For 2D problem, you have 3 degrees of freedom, 2 translation, 1 rotation. For 3-dimensional case, 3 translation, 3 rotation. If any of this has been restricted, then only you will get reactions or moment. If that is free, you will not get anything. Say for examples, I have kept here one roller. What roller will do? uy direction, this roller, R-O-L-L-E-R, in y direction, translational degrees of freedom will be restricted, but it will allow, maybe here also another roller. Okay, that means it will allow to move in x directions, as well as it will allow to have some rotations here, rotation like this. That's why here the reaction force will be 1, that will represent say R as a reaction, as R reaction force Ry. Now in case of say pin connections, so these are the two, sorry, maybe these are the two parts. Here there is one pin. Simple way you can consider pin or hinge, like in door, you can see in a door or window. Hinge, what they will do for this one, ux and uy will be 0, but theta z is present. That's why you will get only rx and ry, two reactions. Okay, maybe 1 minute. Maybe you can represent by Rx and Ry. Somebody can do this way also. This is Rx, Ry. Maybe that is 1 point, say O. Somebody can Ry. This is X and this is Y. Somebody may consider no. Instead of that, some resultant also you can draw. Resultant also directly you can draw. You know some value theta. It will be there in that case. Okay. Now there are some very simple problems for the free body diagram. We'll do some examples. So this is the body. I want to isolate here. This way I want to isolate. If I isolate, this is the cut boundary. That cut boundary, at cut boundary will represent by, this is cable. Cable can take only tensile force. Okay. So this cable, along the line, there will be one force, a T. I have represented by T. And this is a theta given from the geometry. I can draw free body diagram like this. This is the correct free body diagram. Now, I have not considered that weight of the cable. If it is some weight, we have to consider that weight also in vertical direction, like W weight or mg, whatever way you want to give it. So for smooth surface, this is a roller type of surface. So if this you draw one tangent, one normal. This is called tangent. This is normal. So along that normal direction. So, and this is the isolation. I want to draw free body diagram, this portion. So so in this contact, I want to remove the contact, but there will be some contact force that will be acting. For this case, this is a roller. It will act from this two point. You add and extend. It will act. This is the line of action. So that way you have to represent. So this is smooth. So coefficient of friction is 0. Okay. If there is any coefficient of friction or frictional surface, then you have to add that way. Let me give you one example here. This is one inclined, and sorry, this is the horizontal. This is theta. So here it is some mg weight. I want to decompose this mg like this. If it is this, then draw this line. If this is theta, this also will be theta. Then this also will be theta. You know it? Mg cosine theta, mg sin theta. Okay. So I am drawing the free body diagram. So this is the mg sin theta, mg cosine theta. Maybe I have added some here, some force like this. So instead of that force F, and it is making some angle say alpha. Let's, instead of force F, remove it to represent by F cosine alpha, sorry, F cosine alpha, F sine alpha. Maybe there is some friction, and it will try to have some translation along this vertical, it on to slide here. So frictional force like mu, coefficient friction multiplied by n. What is n? N is the reaction force. You want to remove the support. You want to remove the support. If you want to remove the support, there will be some reaction force n. So finally, if we draw this is the centroid. One minute. I want to decompose this, correct? This is F. This is theta. Mg cosine theta. Sorry. Mg sine theta. I am sorry. Mg cosine theta, Mg sine theta, then I have applied force here, correct? F cosine alpha, F sine alpha, along with coefficient of friction mu n, and this is the n. Now maybe this is x-axis, this is y-axis. If it is in equilibrium, you have to consider like this: summation fx equal to 0, summation my equal to 0, and moment at any point. Say maybe this point A. Moment A, this is the anticlockwise summation. That also will be 0. That will be the free body diagram. You have to write here FBD of the block. And then whatever known unknown force you are having, given some data, you have to solve this. So this is the scenario we will use. First of all, we will write the we will draw the free body diagram properly. Then sorry, just a minute. Based on the problem, you have to solve you have to find out the unknowns. Now, when it is rough surface, as I told, here it is rough surface. So one force will be like this. And what is the tendency of this? It is tendency to have fall like this. That's why, or it may be, we don't know. If it is trying to fall this way, then reaction force will be like this, frictional force. Okay, say maybe this is the N and this is say F. Here it is been shown this direction, means this one you want to trying to move this body upward directions. Because if this is trying to move upward direction, then only frictional force will act downward directions. Roller support. So this is the roller support. Here you can see here perpendicular I am drawing here. So reaction force will be this. For this case also reaction force will be this. For this case it is freely sliding glide. Okay. Freely sliding glide, if you see this way, it can slide freely these directions. Means, and it is frictionless, then reactions will be along this perpendicular directions. So this or this. Now pin connection, pin means hinge. Hinge, it is to see ux this is x, this is y, so ux equal to 0, uy equal to 0. That's why there will be two reactions like ry, rx. Okay. Now question is this way, if it can pin is free to turn, and it is telling that pin is not free to turn. If it is not free to turn, you can do many way. Maybe additional. Okay, one thing you consider. This is x and this is the y. This way it can rotate, but in other direction it cannot, correct? But if in some other means, maybe some other support here you have provided, it cannot rotate, then only you will get the moment. When it is fixed or built in, here you have three: this horizontal, vertical, along with moment. And as I told, this and this somebody can represent like reaction also. Instead of this two, you don't need. You need only reaction. That is also fine. But don't put this, and this. That is wrong. Either put this or you put this. Either this or this two, because this is the resultant of this two. Don't put all three. Then when you will calculate, you will reach to the wrong results. Be careful. Now gravitational force mg always acts vertical directions. Okay. Now say you have spring actions, so force has been applied, and this is F equal to kx. On that told, no, k is the stiffness, spring constant. We call here stiffness. Linear spring, non-linear springs. This is the force we can draw for free body diagram. Now you consider plane stress. Plane truss. Truss is one type of problem. I will explain you later. For this truss problem, basically everything here, this structure is rigid basically. Okay. So this can be considered the rigid body. This entire things you can imagine. And you want to replace this pin. Then you should have two reactions. You want to replace the roller, you should have one reactions. And this is the force you have applied. So you show this, and this x-axis, y-axis. This is the complete free body diagram of your problem. Now, instead of this direction and this direction, somebody may consider this and this. No issue. Then you, after solution, you might have some negative value that can be resolved. Now, say cantilever beam. You have force this. Here, built in. So it is this one force, another vertical force plus moment, and it is having some weight, self weight. You represent the self weight acting at the passing through center of gravity, and it is vertically downward. And of course, you have to give x and y, because you finally you write summation fx0, summation fy0, and moment maybe with respect to some point, moment say point O, that is also 0, and we will sign this one as the anticlockwise positive. Now we have a beam, a smooth surface, contact is at A and mass is m. If it is mass m, this is the centroid. Through the centroid, this weight will act. Now this P has been applied, you have to show the P. This moment has been applied, you show the moment. It's a couple basically. Then x and y axis. See, here it is connected here at this, but only one point that can be represented by normal reaction force, perpendicular, that is perpendicular to the surface. This is hinge. You replace bx, by, or somebody can write rbx reactions, rby. Any notation is okay. Generally, R stands for reactions. We can write that way also. Now this is the systems, very complicated, but don't worry. This is the P, you represent P. This structure is rigid structure basically. Entire structure is rigid structure. So we'll show you which one is rigid, what is the elasticity conditions later, not now. This is a rigid structure. Roller, remove this roller, you will get Ry. This is pin, you will get this and this. This is the force you have applied, you represent by weight. Don't represent by mass only, you represent by force, because everything has force. You cannot force with force only, correct? You cannot add mass with force with force, correct? Convert that way. So another example, this is the flexible cable, it will be tensions. This is the mass represented by mg. Okay, here it is being told it is incomplete free body diagram. It is incomplete free body diagram. Now, can you tell me anything is missing here? I need your input.
So the normal reaction.
Yeah?
Hinge.
Hinge.
Normal reaction.
Yes. Do this. Here x and y. X and y. R-A-Y. R-X. Sorry, R-A-X. Done. Very good. Now this one. This one, this is pool P, correct? And this has been given here. Is it correct?
So we are also missing the hinge reaction on the horizontal direction.
Okay. So you are missing
Wait,
this
sir, wait.
X and Y. Weight. Okay. If it is some weight, then give the weight mg. Very good. This one, this problem. So this is given here. This is given here. Anything else? And you told maybe it is having some weight. Maybe m2g. Anything else? Missed?
Sir, the hinge reaction.
Hinge force.
Hinge.
Yeah,
Yes, sir, the
one,
hinge.
one.
The hinge
This
force.
is x, y, ROX, ROY. Sorry, here also x and y you should mention. Don't forget to write x and y. Here, first of all, write x, y. You tell me.
Sir, friction force.
Rough surface.
Friction force.
Vertical is smooth. Vertical is smooth. That means this is correct. This is mg. Here, this is one is okay. Which direction it should go? Rough surface, horizontal plane.
Inside. Left side, sir.
So for this,
Left.
this it will try to move this. Yes. So maybe I'll show you this arrow, half arrow. Okay. This may be friction force F. Okay. Then xy, very good. This one for this problem, this is correct. This is correct. Anything missed?
Sir, wait.
Okay. Maybe weight. Maybe this is the weight. mg. Anything else? X.
So hinge reactions at A and B.
Yeah. RAX. RAY. Very good. Incomplete here. This problem. This is
Sir,
maybe
friction force.
So
Okay.
weight is wrong here.
which direction friction force?
Sir, upward.
No, it is
Sir,
moving
downward.
downward. Yes, friction force F, and this is wrong. This is supposed
is
to
wrong,
be
sir.
vertical direction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
X, Y, and this one. This one, which is missed? Smooth horizontal surface. Maybe this is X.
So the weight of the bar.
Okay.
The weight of the bar.
Wait, anything else?
Friction.
Bar rest in horizontal rough surface. Yes. Smooth horizontal fiber lifting the body.
Yes,
is
sir. The
here,
friction
here.
with
of R is
fiber
wrong.
and
This one. Yeah. Which directions?
The R is wrong.
Okay.
Because the
No.
normal
If
reaction
it is
force-
R is wrong, you will get negative sign. Don't worry. Okay. Here, correct?
Yes, sir. N is wrong.
N is wrong. Okay. Okay, maybe this one also you can correct. No problem. Even it is wrong, you will get negative sign. Don't worry. Okay. But always I use this way. You are right. Okay. Then anything else? Friction. Which direction? This is smooth. This is smooth. But horizontal is rough. Which direction?
Sir, it is to the right, along the x-axis.
Okay.
Right, sir.
right side.
Okay. Here, this problem. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This one is wrong. Correct? What will be?
So the
Normal force.
Yes.
Sir.
Sorry. AX. Anything else? Anything else?
Sir, wait.
The weight of the bar.
Maybe weight. Anything else? What type of support? This one?
Sir, it's a
Sir, welded support.
Welded support. Then will be there will be any moment.
Yes.
So moment is missing. Okay, this is the moment
Yes,
A.
sir.
Okay, for this case,
friction, sir.
The friction.
okay, this correct. Which direction? Which direction?
Towards right,
Sir, right.
Towards right.
Okay,
Right
Right,
side.
sir.
okay. You consider so initially if it is very less, maybe here, and you are lifting like this, then it will Then it will if from so initially like this, then you are lifting like this, for example. Then if you apply like this, this will try to move which directions?
Sir, leftward.
Left.
Then
Leftward.
the friction will be rightward.
Okay, so that means this way if you try, no, if you try this will try to move these directions, this one.
Yes, sir.
Then friction will be this. Okay.
Sir, again explain.
Okay.
Sir, what are we trying to do? Are we lifting it up or are we getting it down?
Oh, I see, it is telling that to prevent slipping of the pole. Okay. That means so it is just going to slip that direction. Okay. When it is going to slip, which direction it is trying to slip?
Notch will go into leftward, no?
Yes, sir, left side.
That means you meant to say one particular case when this is trying to slip this direction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you consider this, okay. If you consider this direction, then it will be this. Okay. Now there only one range basically. I'll tell you what is happening. First of all, you consider this. Say if you consider this is the theta. From 0 you do this. Initially, as I told, it will try to move these directions at the beginning. Then it will try to move these directions. So you can get some range also. Okay. Actually, one case it is this, other case it is this. Two direction you can get, but you can get some range of forces for which it will be stable conditions. But here it is given it is verse 2, it is verse 2 slipping. Okay. If it is verse 2 slipping, then this is correct. Understood? Fine. Okay. Next problem, this one. Which one?
mg.
Sir, weight of the frame.
Maybe this is weightless, but still I am writing this mg. Actually, what is happening? Maybe this force is this value of this A and B, RA, RB is huge when you compared with the weight. So weight may be neglected. But don't worry, I have given weight. Anything else?
Sir, hinge force at A.
Hinge force at A, maybe this direction.
Moment.
No, it is hinged. No moment. No, it is hinged. Okay, so sorry, it is given these directions. Maybe directly we will put here these directions. Okay. If it is these directions, it's supposed to be these directions to balance it. Common sense. Okay. Anything else we missed? Here, B. Yes. This one.
At point B, sir.
Yeah. Something we missed. Maybe this. Okay. Maybe
Yes,
BX, BY. X, Y. Don't forget to give XY. Okay. Okay. Now equilibrium conditions. We already told this 0, 0. Okay. Now some collinear forces. In collinear forces, see, taking moment is not required. Only summation Fx 0 is fine. Collinear forces. Okay. Okay. For concurrent at a point, it is matching here. Then also summation Fx, summation Fy 0 is enough. Because if somebody take moment with respect to this point, all moments arm will be 0. No need to check the moment for that case. When it is parallel case,
Sir, can you,
yeah. Should I repeat?
sir, can you please stop
Yeah,
now?
yeah. This one you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Here everything is concurrent force. If you extend, it is passing through this point. Now consider you want to take moment with respect to point O. Moment arm is 0 for all cases. That's why automatically this 0 is satisfied automatically. Is not it? As a moment arm is 0, concurrent. So if you take moment with respect to here, all moments are 0. So no need to show it. You have to show it is concurrent, so it is automatically satisfied. So this two expression is okay. Am I correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir, please,
yeah.
please.
Yeah.
Please stop, sir. We are not
No,
tired.
2 minutes. Only 5 minutes. I have to 5 minutes only. Now, if it is parallel,
Yes, sir.
along x directions, so summation fy equal to 0 is automatically satisfied. So take summation fx 0, summation mz 0. Why mz 0? Because this force may create some couple. So these two conditions you have to satisfy. In general case, when there is f1, f2, f3, f4 moment, then summation fx 0, summation fy 0 and mz equal to 0. Okay. 2 and 3 force member, you try to understand this point. Maybe this is the member, only two forces are there and it is in equilibrium. In that case, you consider this as the x. If it is in equilibrium, so definitely these two forces will be same. Then only, and it has to be collinear. Then only it will be in equilibrium. Say this is the structure and only two forces has been applied these two places and it is told that it is in equilibrium. Then definitely this force, if it is F1 and this is F2, they must have the same magnitude and opposite directions and they should be collinear. This type of problems we call two force systems. Truss is the two force. Truss problem is the two force system. I will explain after 2-3 classes. Now in three-dimensional equilibrium conditions, similar way, when it is roller, when we have contact, when we have roller, some socket, fixed connections, see Rx, Ry, Rz, Mx, My, Mz. Here also, one is free, but other two moment, one moment is free, but other three reactions and two moments you can see. When it is concurrent forces, then summation m, there will be three cases, mx, my, mz equal to 0. These things are not required because if you take moment with respect to this, automatically this will be satisfied. Only these three equations you have to satisfy. For concurrent in a line, if it is concurrent in a line like this, then along x, you see it is, if it is concurrent with a line like this, then this three force you have to consider my, mz. Mx is not required. In that case. When it is parallel, this is only important, this and this. Mx equal to 0 or fy, fz is not required. When it is general, yes, this 3 and this 3, 6 conditions you have to satisfy. And this is the end of the day. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Now attendance.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. Attendance, please. Just a minute. So next day, what I will do, we'll solve some problem. I'll provide you a problem sheet. Then we'll solve some problems next day onwards. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry. So I think I have completed 200 pages from the books. You have to read carefully whatever I have covered. Now attendance, please. Let me check. 20 aerospace 25 present, 26 present, 27 present, 20, 28 present, 29 present, 30 present. Okay. Civil 37, 77 present, 78 absent, 79 present, 80 present, 81 present, 82 present, 83, 84, 85 present, 85 present, 86 civil is absent, 87 civil, no, just
Sir,
no,
86, I am
86
present.
present, 86 present, 7 present, 88 present, 89 absent. Okay. 90 absent, 91 absent, 92 absent, 93 absent, 94 absent,
94 present, sir.
94 present, just a bit, 94 present, yeah. 94. Then CST 58 absent, 59 absent, 60 present, 61, 62 present, 62 present, 63 absent, 64 absent, 65 present, 66 present, 67 present, 68 present, 69 present, 70 absent. 70 just a minute. 69 CST, 69 present, 70 absent. Then electrical, last a minute. Electrical 49 present, electrical 49 present, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 present, 59 present. Then electronics 35 present, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 absent, 42 present. Then IT 53 present, 54 present, 54, 55 present, 56 absent, 57 present, 58 present, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 64 present. Then 60 ME mechanical.
Sir, IT all over attendance.
Yes, IT only 56 absent.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we leave, sir?
You can leave. Those who are attendance over, they can leave. Then mechanical 70. Just a minute. Let me check. Mechanical ME, correct? Mechanical 49 was present at that time. Mechanical 50 present, 51 absent, 52 present, 53 present, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Sir, present.
Yes, present. Then MMB, mining, metallurgy, just a minute, 25, metallurgy, 25 present, 26, 27, 28, 29 present, 29, 30 absent. Then mining 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All are present. Let me check who are absent once again. Civil 78 absent, then 89 absent, 90, 91, 92, 93 absent, civil 95 absent, CST 58 absent, CST 63 absent, 64 absent. Then electronics 41 absent, IT 56 absent, 51 mechanical absent.
56%, sir.
Mechanical
Kumar, sir,
51.
56.
Mechanical
IT.
51. IT
56.
56. Okay, fine. Mechanical 51 absent. Then metallurgy 30 absent. That's all. Okay. So just a minute. I can stop the recording fast before discussions. Okay. Do you have any further questions, queries?
Sir, may you please send some homework?
Assignment I will give you assignment. Okay. There are assignments. I'll post the assignments. Okay. In the classroom, I will provide the assignments. You can start working on that. Okay. Anything else?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you,
And one thing, regarding this class representative, every day at night 9 o'clock you have to remind me after the class, every class. Okay. whether it has been shared or not. If not, you write in WhatsApp. I will manually do that. Don't wait for 2-3 days. Otherwise, whatever I have covered, you will forget few things. Don't take the risk. On the same day, say Tuesday and Friday at 9 o'clock, class representative can inform me whether the video has been shared or not. If not, kindly let me know.